Task 4 involves establishing a risk management strategy, which is a structured approach to managing uncertainty related to a wide array of risks. This includes the development and implementation of procedures, tools, and practices designed to identify, analyze, evaluate, and monitor risks throughout the project or within an organization. Here are the components of establishing a risk management strategy. 1. Establish risk processes and tools. Implement systematic processes for risk management and decide on the tools that will support these processes. This could include software for tracking risks, methods for risk assessment, and techniques for risk response planning. 2. Provide risk management templates forms. Create and distribute standardized documents or electronic forms that facilitate the consistent recording and reporting of risk-related information. These templates ensure that all relevant data is captured and is easy to analyze. 3. Determine risk metrics. Define the criteria for measuring risk, which might include the likelihood of occurrence, impact on objectives, cost of risk responses, and other key risk indicators. Metrics provide a quantitative basis for decision-making and tracking. 4. Identify risk categories. Break down potential risks into categories such as strategic, operational, financial, compliance, etc. This helps in organizing risk management efforts and assigning ownership of risks to appropriate team members. 5. Coach mentor team on risk management best practices. Offer guidance and training to the team on the principles and techniques of effective risk management. Emphasizing servant leadership means acting as a resource to help empower team members to take ownership of risk-related issues. 6. Lead stakeholders to adopt the risk strategy. Engage with stakeholders, including project sponsors, team members, and other affected parties, to ensure they understand and support the risk management strategy. Leadership here involves driving the adoption of the strategy and securing commitment from all parties involved. By addressing these areas, the organization or project management team can create a robust risk management strategy that is understood and embraced across all levels, significantly enhancing the capacity to manage risks proactively. Documenting the risk management plan is a crucial step in the risk management process, ensuring there's a formal record of how risks will be managed throughout the life of a project or within an organization. This documentation facilitates clear communication and understanding among all stakeholders. Here's a breakdown of the components involved in this task. 1. Define organizational risk roles and responsibilities. Specify who is responsible for various risk management activities. Aligning these roles and responsibilities with a project responsibility assignment matrix RAM, such as a RACI chart responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, ensures clarity and accountability. 2. Prepare key artifacts resources. Identify and list the documents, tools, and resources that will be used in the risk management process. This could include risk registers, assessment forms, software tools, and historical data. 3. Outline key risk management activities. Detail the specific activities that will be undertaken as part of risk management, including who will perform them, what actions will be taken, when and where these activities will occur, and how they will be executed. 4. Explain RBS support for risk management plan. The risk breakdown structure RBS is a tool used to categorize risks into hierarchical levels. Explaining how the RBS supports the risk management plan involves showing how risks can be organized and addressed according to their categories, facilitating better analysis and response strategies. 5. Define a risk communication plan. Establish how information about risks and risk management activities will be communicated within the organization and to external stakeholders. This includes the methods of communication, frequency, and the specific information to be shared. 6. Define risk prioritization criteria. Set the criteria for determining the priority of different risks. This could be based on factors such as the potential impact of risks, their likelihood of occurrence, and the organization's ability to respond. 7. Define stakeholder empowerment and education strategy. Outline how stakeholders will be informed about risk management practices and their roles within the process. This involves training programs, workshops, or meetings designed to increase stakeholder engagement and understanding of risk management. By thoroughly documenting the risk management plan, organizations can ensure that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of their roles, the processes in place for managing risk, and the strategies for communicating and prioritizing risks. This document serves as a roadmap for proactive and effective risk management. Task 6 is about engaging and leading stakeholders throughout the risk management activities to ensure their involvement and buy-in for the risk management plan. It involves several key actions. 1. Collaborate with the team for risk planning. Work closely with the team responsible for conducting the risk planning on the project. This collaboration ensures that the risk management plan is comprehensive and considers all aspects of the project. 2. Leverage stakeholder analysis. Use the stakeholder analysis performed by the project manager to understand the interests, influence, and impact of each stakeholder on the project. This analysis helps in tailoring communication and engagement strategies. 3. Manage stakeholder risk appetite and attitudes. Different stakeholders may have different levels of tolerance for risk. It's important to understand and manage these differences to align the risk management strategies with the stakeholders' risk appetites and attitudes. 4. Engage stakeholders in risk prioritization. Involve stakeholders in the process of prioritizing risks. This engagement ensures that the prioritization reflects the stakeholders' concerns and the project's objectives. 5. Set expectations on rules of engagement. Clearly communicate with stakeholders about how they will be involved in the risk management process. Setting these expectations helps in establishing a clear framework for engagement and collaboration. 6. Tailor risk communication for stakeholders. Customize the communication of risk-related information to meet the needs and preferences of different stakeholders. Effective communication is key to ensuring stakeholders are well informed and can make appropriate decisions. 7. Lead stakeholder empowerment for risk strategies. Empower stakeholders by incorporating their input into the risk management plan and encouraging their active participation in managing risks. This involves training, coaching, and educating stakeholders in risk principles and processes. Provide stakeholders with the knowledge and skills they need to understand and engage in the risk management process effectively. This helps create a shared understanding of risk principles and fosters engagement in managing risks. By carefully planning and leading risk management activities with stakeholders, you ensure that the project or organization's risk management strategies are supported and actively participated in by all relevant parties. This collective approach enhances the effectiveness of risk management efforts and contributes to the success of the project.